Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, One Feisty Mama. My name is Elise if you're new here. Welcome back to those of you who have seen my other videos. If you haven't seen my videos before and you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and then tap on that notification bell right next to it to make sure that you know when I post new videos. But I'm just going over all these little things right here. This was all stuff that I pulled out of my daughter's backpack this morning on the way to school. And yes, I still let her take some things to school, but just not this giant backpack full of things like she wanted to. Today's video is kind of like a cross between a cleaning video and a vlog. I have to do a few things with the house before I can leave to run errands. I need to do my big shopping trips today to prepare for Thanksgiving, so I need to go to Target. I'm going to go to Costco, Trader Joe's, and then hopefully Fred Meyer if I still have time by the end of the day. The reason I need to go to Target is actually to make some returns and then to pick up a few needed dental items. So we just need some more flossers for the kids, and Nick and I need new toothbrush heads for our Sonicare toothbrushes. So I'm starting with just a general tidying up, and then I'm going to switch out the laundry here and then get a new load going later on before I leave. But for now, I just need to get this one started in the dryer. It was a really large load, and then I need to lay out the clothes that I pulled out. I had washed my husband's Carhartt jacket, so it wasn't a very big load that I had to fold, but I'm gonna fold those also in just a minute. Just a little tip to keep your house looking clean, and in case you have unexpected visitors, don't do laundry on your couch or your dining room table or anywhere in a living space unless you know that you have time afterwards to put it away. So this morning I'm going to put away the laundry once I'm done doing all the loads I need to. So I'm okay with folding it on my couch, where normally I'd probably fold laundry on my bed, especially on like my big laundry days. If I know I'm doing like 3 or 4 loads of laundry, I'll lay it all out on my bed and then I'll put it all away at once everything's done. And here I'm just putting some things away that Haley had out earlier, tucking them away and taking care of trash. Hank ended up wanting the last donut, so I'm going to throw away this donut box that's a couple days old and get him situated so that I can do some more cleanup. I like to open my curtains and blinds in the morning before I make my bed, just to let some natural light in. Now I'm going to get that laundry hung up that I was talking about earlier. I decided just to hang it now instead of just setting it on my bed for later, just to get it out of the way. And we do hang up the majority of our clothes. You can see the bins that are in front of me. The bottom ones hold my pajamas and leggings and comfy pants like that, but everything else is literally hung up. Nick also has a little bin for his underwear and socks and his pajamas and undershirts and things like that. But we hang up all of our pants and shorts and big jackets and shirts. Even t-shirts get hung up. And now that I've picked up, I'm going to get ready for the day. And man, I wish it was this easy to get ready. Hinky and I are headed to Costco. Hinky, say Costco. Costco. Okay, so we're at Costco. I did just go to Target before we came here, and I returned some leggings that I feel like they were overpriced. They're like fashion leggings, so they have different like patterns and materials on them, but they were too big, and I bought the small / medium size, and they were too big, so I had to take those back, and they were like 18 bucks a piece. So I got a Target gift card to use in the store, and then I grabbed a couple of things that I actually needed. Haley needs a notebook for something, a binder, a 3-ring binder, so I bought her a binder, and I got some toothbrush head refills for Nick and I, and a new toothbrush for Hank because he saw a Hulk one and an Avengers one, so he really wanted that. And then I got them some new flossers. So now we're gonna go into Costco, and I can't really explain it to you where we're parked, but if you can imagine the farthest corner parking spot at Costco, that's the one that we just pulled into, and it's an absolute zoo right now. I'm guessing because it's the week before Thanksgiving, but I'm not really sure. What's wrong? Oh, and they did have a bunch of stuff. The new ad started today. That's what it is. I bet that's what it is. Anyway, so we're going to run into Costco now and get our goodies, and then after that, hopefully Trader Joe's, and then still Fred Meyer maybe. So wish us luck. So change of plans. We're back in the car. I just went to change Hank's diaper, and he had a blowout on his pants, and we don't have extra pants in the car. So we are like 35 minutes from home, and doesn't look like I'm doing Costco today. So I'm a little frustrated to say the least. It's not Hank's fault, but it's still just after this week that we've had, and just tensions being high and stress level being high. That's not what I needed today. I do not need to go to Costco and Trader Joe's on a Saturday. And now I'm going to have to go tomorrow morning early when they open. And I'm going to have to take at least Haley and Hank because Colton has a basketball game. So Nick can take him to the game, and I get to miss another basketball game. And then I get to go to Costco on Saturday. Not fun. All right, we're off again. Hank has no pants on still, but I got him a snack, got his chocolate milk. We just left the house, and I grabbed him pants and new socks because he threw one of his socks in the back of the car and now I can't find it. So instead of laying down and accepting defeat, I'm just going to try to stay positive, and I'm going to turn it around, and we are going to go and run errands again. And we're going to get it done before the kids get out of school because I don't want to do Saturday at Costco. And we're also supposed to go to our neighbor's house tonight to celebrate her birthday and make personal pizzas. And I really wanted to grab her a bottle of wine. So in order to make all that happen, I need to get my errands finished now instead of waiting for later. So hopefully Hank will get a nap in the car and won't be too cranky later. So. You know, when in doubt, just put some worship music on and stay positive, and things will work out. We found a spot at Trader Joe's. We got our groceries here, and then I'm going to show you guys everything we got today when we get back. Okay, so I got everything from today unloaded from the car, and I'm going to show you guys what I got really quick, and then I'll probably wrap it up after that because I need to get ready to go to our neighbor's for dinner, for her birthday dinner. So yeah, let's show you guys what we got. Okay, so to start, we have the Dairy Cold sour cream. I always buy this giant one. We use a lot of sour cream. I restocked our chicken and apple sausages, the Adele's brand. I do still have a pack in the freezer, but I wanted to get those. I got 2 boxes of these turkey sausages, and these are so good, and Colton loves them. Hank and I have been eating them every day. Hank's already eating a Trader Joe's lollipop. Huh, is it good? Anyway, Hank and I have been eating these every day, and they're on sale right now for I think $5 and some change at Costco. So I got 2 boxes, another 2-pack of bacon. I just put our last one that was frozen in the fridge for this weekend. And then 2 bags of the organic rice cauliflower because last time I went to the other Costco in our area, they didn't have this. What's up, buddy? Oh, you're gonna go in the bag? Yeah. Okay, you do that. And then Diet Dr. Pepper was on sale at Costco, so I got a case of this as well, even though only Diet Coke was on my list. And this was like $7.29 for 35 sodas, so that's a really great deal. Diet Coke, as usual, it's about 11 bucks. It's like $10.99. Then at Trader Joe's, I got some more mandarin oranges. Hank loves those and goes through them quite fast. I did get a ham. I didn't get to go to Fred Meyer to get our turkey. So I'm going to go early tomorrow morning and hope that I make it there to do that. I got some of these little mini gingerbread men cookies as well at Trader Joe's. This box of Eggos is on sale for $5 and change right now as well, and Haley eats these almost every morning for breakfast before school. And then this was also on sale at Costco, the whipped cream. These were on sale. Chocolate chips not on sale, but this giant bag is $9.99, so I like to buy that when I run out, and I just keep going through the Kirkland ones. I got the kids some more popcorn today because Colton took the rest of it that our family friend Sandra brought over for us. So he took that today for like a class snack thing. They were having a PJ day. I got the Pop-Tarts. They didn't have the hot chocolate ones anymore, and I think Colton's gonna be bummed, but I got the brown sugar and cinnamon and then the cherry pomegranate. Got some Pirates booty. I got, let's see, I got pistachios at Trader Joe's. This big bag is $6.99, and I get the roasted and salted ones. I got my Parmesan cheese and Parmesan and Romano Asiago cheese at Trader Joe's. I bought these just to try them out, maybe for Thanksgiving, little pastry bites. I won't be keeping it keto, like totally keto on Thanksgiving, so I'm letting myself have those. I got 2 boxes of these organic silver dollar pancakes. You want some pistachios?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. I got 2 boxes of these pancakes for Haley. She loves these in the morning also. I got 2 packs of hash browns at Trader Joe's. I want to try those out. I think Nick will like these. And 2 bags of romaine lettuce. Some fruit pouches, some applesauce pouches. A full 24 eggs from Costco. Cereal, and then from Trader Joe's I got strawberries. I didn't go to the produce area at Costco. Hanky. I didn't go to the produce area at Costco. It was so crazy in there. I was super overwhelmed. Oh, and then the last thing that I got were some more sunflowers at Trader Joe's because mine that I bought myself at Albertsons last week are done for, so I wanted to get some more of those. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you found today's video inspiring. We got some chores done, we got all of our errands done, and sometimes you just got to push through. Thanks, guys. Bye.